We recently had a really great question about the best practice and methodology for uploading a new document for a previously expired document. So in this case, we're speaking directly about registration certificates. And I wanted to address this with a video because I think it's a really great best practice and a way to keep your documentation organized, and then to prevent erroneous documents in Viva. They can actually be kept as the same document number. So that's what we want to briefly talk about here, and then I'll show you how to do it. So when you are kind of deciding if it's best to upload a new document or upload a new version of an existing document, try to think of it as based on the document number. So if you think the document number should remain the same and the version should only change, then you definitely want to go this methodology. So that's what we're going to do today. We have a registration certificate from 2018, and then I'm going to upload a new registration certificate for 2023. This is all test documents. I'm in the sandbox. But just so that you know, that's kind of the plan. So I've found the document that I would like to upload a new registration certificate for, and you simply go to the three action dots, create a draft, and then upload your new version. You can make a comment and then hit create. So this will take the document version back to version 1.1. So this is a non-steady state version. And then we will edit our metadata. So that is something to keep in mind, is that once you upload a new document, the metadata may change. So in this case, especially the document date will change. And then the issuing organization wasn't filled in previously, so I'll complete that. And then you can now link it to a regulatory action. So I'll do that now. So I've completed the required metadata, changed the date, and then unchecked, confirmed the product number, and now you can hit save. So this metadata will only be associated with this document version and not the previous version. So I can now hit release this document. And you can see there's two versions. And this version still contains the previous metadata, whereas our version 2 contains the new updated version of our metadata. Now, I want to provide also a quick reminder that when you are exporting documents or making a submission to the authorities, it's really helpful and really important to be sure you're using this viewable rendition of the document for your submission. The reason I say that is because this version contains the document number and the version on the document. So with that, you can quickly identify what document number this was, and if there is a new version, or if you will be creating a new version from this document number. So be sure to keep that in mind when you're making your submissions, to use the BES number as part of your package so that you can track them later on.